here's the code for the Arduino that we are using to read the address buses. And we've got us declaring our pins up here. These are the address pins. And then we have our data pins here. And so we've got our onClock method here. And what this is doing is just for every clock pulse that we've got coming through, we are going to print out some data here, which is our address, whether we're reading or writing, and the instruction that it's executing. And so down here, we've got just preparing our input for each time we cycle through here, we'll be setting it to an input, and this is a lot faster and easier than just typing address 52, address 50, address 48, etc. And that same kind of idea is going for our data pins up here as well. And so then our clock is an input. And then whether we're reading or writing, that's also being taken as an input as well. And so I'm going to use the manual mode from the clock to just single step us through the chip booting up. So here's the first. Here is the second. Here is the third and fourth. Fifth and sixth. Seventh and eighth. And you'll see that we have a couple different parts here where we have a C and then a D. And so that part is actually about how these are only 8 bits and it's a 16-bit instruction. So you have to run it in 2 parts. But now we've got our instruction here, and so now it's starting to go through it. So then we've just got A, B, B, C, C, D, and it's just going to keep doing this kind of thing. I'm going to set it to automatic so you can kind of see more. And so as you can see, we've got the address here, and really we're just reading from it. And this is actually pretty neat because using literally just voltage, we're giving something instructions on how to do something. And for me at least, this is really cool having just something as basic as this actually doing things.